Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD, PhD, and today is Thursday, October 21st, 2021. It is 1:25 and 23 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, sperm cells. So let's hop to it here. The scientists developed sperm cells from primate stem cells. Date October 19, 2021. Source, University of Georgia. A new study shows that functional sperm cells, they can be made in a dish using primate embryonic stem cells. And this is a major breakthrough towards producing stem cell-based therapies to treat male infertility in cases where the men do not produce any viable sperm cells. Researchers use embryonic stem cells from rhesus macaque monkeys to generate immature sperm cells, known as round spermatids, which they showed to be capable of fertilizing a rhesus macaque egg. The scientists have been able to produce sperm-like cells using mouse stem cells, but rodent sperm production is distinctively different than humans. Until this work, it wasn't clear that this technology could ever work in humans. And this is the first step that shows this technology is potentially translatable. We are using a species that is more relevant to us, and we are having success in making healthy embryos. And rhesus macaques share similar reproductive mechanisms to humans, making them an ideal and necessary model for exploring stem cell-based therapies for male infertility. And using a novel method, the researchers differentiated the cells into immature sperm cells, known as round spermatids. Like immature spermatids in vivo, fertilization in vitro spermatids requires activating the egg and the addition of other factors to enable the fertilized egg to develop into a healthy embryo. And this fall, the researchers plan to take the next critical step of implanting these embryos into a surrogate rhesus macaque to examine whether these embryos from in vitro spermatids can produce a healthy baby. If that step is successful, the team will carry out the same process using spermatid-like cells derived from macaque skin cells. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD, PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.